Hello guys. Day 54 ng ating biyahe at talaga naman na tayo ay maglalakad sa mga oras na to. Papunta tayo ngayon sa town ng Multipolciano and may mga magaganda ditong building, mga sinaunang building at ito ang kanilang pinakangtang na. So paglakad lang muna tayo dito guys. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumunta dun sa mga kitaan tao, kita mukha nila. Ganito lang tayo siguro. Meron silang mga estudyante dito. So siyos pag gusto magano. Kaya so meron dong church.
Tule nyt, tule joku. What number will it be making here?
2 new moon. Multiple. Yeah.
You want this one? Here is the one.
Meron tayong payong guys. Yes ba? Napakaganda ng building. Oh. Napakaganda ng building guys. Do you want to come under the umbrella?
No,
Actually, you...
I'm not sukar.
Kabayan? Kabayan! Ah, sorry na, BBD ako, sorry. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Originally from Finland kami and we're traveling with camper van. And is it okay with you? Hello guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Multipolciano at may nakita agad tayong kababayan natin. Ayan, saan po kayo sa Pilipinas?
Batangas po.
Ay, Batangas. Ako po ay sa Quezon. Ano pong pangalan niyo ulit? Nice to meet you, Kuya Edwin. It's really nice to see you here.
If you want, we're open maybe 50 minutes.
Ah,
There's underground cellar here.
underground cellar.
I will give you.
Is it like something that we can visit and
It's free.
it's free?
Free wine tasting if you want.
Wow, this is interesting. I would love to. Maglakad lang kami and I'll be back for you. Kuya Edwin.
Yeah.
My name is Sarah, by the way. Sarah. Yes, it's really nice to see Filipino.
It's really, we are a lot of Filipino here.
Talaga? You know why I came here is only because I remember the Twilight movie.
Yes.
So, yeah. But I didn't expect that there is Filipino, but I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy. Sana magkakwentuhan tayo a little bit more later. Ikaw rin po ba yung makakausap namin later if I come back?
Pupunta po ako sa baba kami ng wine.
Okay, okay.
Naiiwan naman po dito isang Pilipino.
Okay. I see.
Ito
Matagal na po kayo dito?
7 years.
Wow, 7 years. My darling, this is Edwin from Philippine Batangas. 100, I guess. Less than 100. And Atimonan, Quezon. Sa bandang ang pinakang town namin is Lucena City.
may relatives po kami sa San Antonio.
San Antonio.
Tsaka sa Chaong.
Chaong. Ay, oo, medyo malapit na yan. I see. Oh, that's I'm looking forward.
Madaming barrels na puno ng yan.
Talagang dito siya ginagawa. Oh, look at this guys. Ah, see you.
See you later.
Yeah, well, look. This is so nice. It's so nice. Love, can you hold this paper for me and put it in your pocket, please? It's a pre-taste wine. Come. Yes, pa guys, pero we're going to get this. Here, look at that. It's so nice. Mita? Very big church. What church? No, anak, it's okay. You carry the umbrella again.
I can.
Even though Daddy don't like umbrella. Wine and food. Let's see. In the movie, I think this is where Bella ran. Do you remember?
I've seen some movies, I don't know.
I think this is where she ran. Yes, this is. Dito siya magtakbo-takbo. I think this is where she ran and did she go up here? And then this might be also the same. Oh. Thank you. There is one more church in here. Ah, Joshua.
Mutta tuu tälle puolelle.
This is so. Mahawak ako sa mapa, tapos mahawak din ako sa ano.
Niin, se on. Kato joku.
Ganda ng mga bricks. Ganda ng sampayan nila.
Dice lo sa.